This is when he does exactly what he said not to do. This dummy rips the tails right off his plane.
All right, guys, we are back at the field. This is a cool day today. Hopefully going to be cool. If I go 2 for 2, I'll be very happy. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. No, I'm doing the F22 first. I'm going to make 2 different videos. The F22 now has a Freewing 64mm 4S. Okay, I'm sorry, 6S. It's got an SMC 2400 high voltage pack. It is I posted it on my Facebook group when I did the thrust run up on this. So the F22 is a draggy airframe. It just, like, fundamentally it's draggy. So you got some issues with that running a lower powered system like the Amazon 64 4S. It really did not overwhelm me very much. So I wanted more for this airframe. It's a big airframe. It's got a lot of lift. So the extra weight of the 6S is not a problem. I did a thrust run up. Holy crap. The 1650 grams estimated thrust output on this thing is way low. It might be 1650 on a crappy 6S, but I'm getting like 1900 grams. It's better than 1-to-1 on this. So let's get this F22 up and let's see how it flies. Quick control check. Good. All right, let's see how this thing goes. I had really good thrust when I was doing my run up. Very low wind today, so we're good. And let's see if I can get this up. Oh yeah. Holy guys. Look at this. Look at it. Straight up. Oh my God. Perfect CG with a 6S battery. Look at it float. Look at it float, guys. Look at this plane. Oh, it's such a smooth delivery too. Wow. I can't tell you. It transformed it. It literally transformed this jet. Wow. Holy crap. Oh. I'm sorry for showing my emotions so much in my videos, but when I make such a big change like this and it makes this jet, I mean, I haven't flown the Freewing 64mm, okay? But I'm pretty confident. I mean, just by watching the videos, guys, I don't know. This thing, all right, I'm gonna stop being cocky. This is incredible. Guys, the F22 is not getting the love that it should. Look at this. Look at it. Look at it hovering. Flip it over the top. You can do anything you want with this thing with 2 control surfaces. Okay, so here's what I'm gonna do. Now I'm going to, look at it float. I'm gonna scale this thing up, guys. I think this would be the 120 millimeter EDF. Look at this. Look at the power. Straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up, straight up. Oh, kick it over the top. Oh my God, it is so cool. Flat spin. It's flat spinning. It's flat spinning without any ailerons, guys. It's got so much punch. It's insane. Wow. You barely even have to use the throttle because it gets it up so quick. Guys, seriously. You can spend hundreds of dollars on your Freewing, or get my file, buy that Freewing motor, okay? Get a 60 amp ESC, okay? And you have a jet you can reprint each part for as many times as you want. If you crash it, you want to fly it stupid like I do, you could just reprint it. This thing is so freaking cool. I don't know why I was sleeping on this thing. Look at it, rock solid performer. The aerodynamics of this thing are absolutely fantastic. I'm gonna bring it in and check the voltage because these are very good batteries and I don't want to cook it. Look at that, guys. Holy crap. The SMC 6S 2400 with the Freewing motor, the Freewing 64 in my airframe. This thing is smooth as silk, unbelievable to fly. Next thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut out my aileron surfaces and I'm gonna add in some servos there. I'm gonna be able to do full on flat spins and anything that the real F22 can do in real life at the air shows with this platform. I'm 100% confident in it. So that'll be the next cool F22 video. Let me quickly pop another battery in here. Let me measure the voltage real quick. Doesn't even feel warm. Let's see if it sips the this is 2 minutes and 40 seconds, so I did about 230. 374. Perfect. All right, so let's put another one in. Okay. Shove that into the Velcro because we don't want it moving. Same CG. Lots of room in this battery compartment. You could probably go well, I probably wouldn't go any. That was a pretty decent flight. That was like, I want to say, yeah, it was like two and a half minutes or so of flying. All right, let's get this thing up again. Let's do another quick flight. I have been sleeping on this F22. It has the same characteristics. Like, I've seen the F22 in probably like 4 air shows, and it has the same characteristics as the real guy. Uh-oh. Easy hand launch. Easiest hand launch I've had. On most of my jets, actually. So simple. Look at this thing. I just can't get over it. Let's do some slow. Now it's heavier, so you have to be a little more cautious, right? Get up a little bit higher. So do the slow. Yep, it still does not want to drop a wing. It still does its it kind of self-corrects itself. It puts the nose down. A lot of power to get out of trouble. That's what's fun about this. I almost want to put this this Freewing motor in everything. If you want to slide the tail around a little bit, be goofy. Wow, I just can't get over it. This is the build, guys. If you want like the nicest fit and finish, you want to paint this thing up. The only downside to running the full flying tails is that when you're landing, you just have to be a little bit cautious on your landings.
This is when he does exactly what he said not to do. This dummy rips the tails right off his plane.
And just completely changed. You want to see a high speed pass here? Remember how I said the F22 wasn't fast? Not anymore. Wow. All right, let's stall it in the wind. Pull back. Pulling back. Floating, nose down the whole time. Nose down. That's full elevator. Now it's falling in the wind. Actually got a little gusty. The wind changed direction. Now it's at my back. It's coming right in the wind. Wow. What a freaking cool jet. So cool. I'm definitely adding the aileron surfaces 100% because I want to wake this thing up even more. It's got so much more potential. Such a freaking cool jet. All right, I'm gonna bring it in because I'm kind of anxious. I want to fly the J10. Ooh, wind. Holy. Oh. Oh no, I ripped it off. That was a problem. Way too much elevator. I was thinking about something else. I forgot and I pulled full elevator. And of course, I ripped the whole tail of the plane off. I'm going to set a landing mode on this where I can have a switch where it limits my travel. And it just caught, it caught a bump. So that's the unfortunate thing about being stupid.
Landing mode. What's a landing mode? Long story short, SMC batteries are the shiznazzle and I'll be buying more. The Freewing EDF is amazing and I already have more on order. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already.